Hello YouTube, and welcome to some more Train Sim World 5 as well. We are going to be doing some more West Coast Mainline, and we're going to be doing the class 710. And let's do Watford Junction to London Euston at 7:30. So let's go and give that a go. I'm going to put this back to August. And yeah, let's go. Alright, let's master key in, that to forward, shift and enter and control and enter.
TPWS
oops,
operation.
one button. Oh god. Ah! Yeah, enter forward. Alright, need to unlock the doors on our left hand side. Here we go. We are at Watford Junction. Excuse me, why am I trapped? Help! Yeah, look at that. Get a screenshot there or two. Let's do one. Oops, nope, not that. No, press there. Oh man, that would have been a good shot if I timed that rightly. Yeah, there we go. So we're due out at 7:32. So it's like we've got a 350 which just left, we've got a 390 in here, heading towards Milton Keynes, 377 over there as well, another 350. Probably heading off to Milton Keynes also. So, yeah, so these trains have like automatic doors, so after a while the doors will close on their own, which is really cool. The one issue I have with it in the game, that sometimes it doesn't register, that it still registers that we haven't closed the doors, so people still try and get on, which is pretty funny. Well, it tries to simulate that at least, but still needs a little bit of work. But so we still have to lock the doors to confirm the objective above, otherwise it goes a bit funny. But alright, now we should be able to get moving, which we are. We need that today, don't we? Oh, speeding already. Yep, go me. Let's get rid of the little marker up front, and we are all good to go. What's those lines saying? Excuse me? I think there's something supposed to be here, but looks like it's missing. Oopsie. A little mistake there in the game. But yeah, what's really cool about this section here is that we actually come off the West Coast Main Line for a bit and stop around here, and then we literally rejoin it after this next stop. God, I'm all over the place at the moment. I do apologise, guys. I am all over the place, but we will turn that around. We will get going. Yeah, wake up. And I'm speeding. Yeah, I am not with it, am I? Not quite with it. But yeah, but for any of you who might be watching this back, you might be watching this, sorry, on the YouTube, if you ever want to come over and join in me playing some Train Sim World 5 live, and then I stream Train Sim World every Sunday on Twitch. So if you guys on YouTube want to come over and come in for the live chat experience and to hang out, and then yeah, and you can come and find me on Twitch. It's the same name and everything as on the YouTube. Oh, I've seen a few collectibles here that my brain's going like, I need to get. Do nicely. No one knows. Come on, get that route map. There we go. Is there any more over here? Yep, I need to put that in. There we go. I don't know what the other collectibles are. I know one of them is like a robot device thing on like some of the platforms. I can't think what the other one is. Maybe you guys in the comments or anyone here with me on Twitch can let me know. Because I can't think what the other one is. So we got the health kits. We got the route map. The little robot thing. I can't think what the fourth one is, because there's usually 4 on every route, right? They usually do 4 on each route. There we go. Now I do have to apologise for some of you that for some of my videos on YouTube have been a bit late out at the moment, just because I've had some real personal stuff what has turned up, and I just needed some time some space to sort things out. But yeah, now that kind of back into the routine of things, should be able to get things going again a lot more smoothly. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the content, and also let me know, guys, like, you know, Train Sim World 5 has been out for quite a little bit now, so yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. I mean, I've only really done the West Coast mainline at the moment, but I have been having a lot of fun with it. So we have got a 20 limit coming up here. Now we reconnect with the West Coast main line again. We only separate from it just for a tiny bit. We want to stop right by that S marker if we can. I think that's as good as we're gonna get. I think that's pretty perfect. I'd say so myself. I see another collectible. Actually, I think that's perfect. I'm saying that's a perfect stop. Boom. Who left all these out? I do not know. Disgraceful. Okay. Close, please. Alright. We lock the doors. Let's get going. Nope, I don't want a view screen, thank you very much. Alright. So we do up to 20 at the moment, and then we should shortly be able to go up to 45. And we can. Let's go. Foot to the pedal. Start releasing, have to brake a little bit here. Yeah, I'm really surprised that it's really, really cool that we got the London Overground route included with this for the part that we got. Which, you know, it kind of had to be done right because it runs all the way along with it up until Watford Junction. So I think it's really cool that they've included it. You know, it's not just AI traffic. It's, you know, we can actually drive it like what we're doing now. So it's pretty awesome. So yeah, we will be doing the return journey as well. When we get to Euston, we will be driving back in the 710. It's the 710, right? I'm already forgetting my numbers of the trains. I'm not great with the numbers. I'm still trying to get better and learn them if I can, but my memory is terrible. Oh god, I think I braked way too much there. I got kind of just lost my whereabouts, Sam. I don't know. I had the brakes on slightly. Oh god, what a terrible stop this is. We stop here. It's fine. Can we buy yet? Nope. Oh, there's more stuff I want to collect. Maybe on the return journey if I get... get my crap together, you know? You missed it, mate. Yeah, you fold your arms. He's angry. It's like, how dare? Oh, hello. That would have been a good screenshot too, to be honest. Timing of all that was pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie. We had the 377 going past us, and then we had a 390 in the other way. It was just perfect. Yeah, like I like doing all kinds of like routes, you know, like passenger service, stop and start. I like the high speed. I like the freight. You know, I'm never too fussed about which one I do. But if I had to pick one that I enjoy a little bit more, I like the more stop and start kind of service, like kind of like what we're doing now when we was in the 350 as well. Kind of really enjoy the those kind of passenger runs. If I had to pick, you know, out of the three that I enjoy doing. Number 390. Just imagine if we do get the East Coast Main Line South at some point, you know, the King's Cross to Peterborough part. Because then, you know, it'd be similar to this, you know, I think it's like 4 tracks most of the way, right? And you got like the 700s that run along, what kind of one alongside it that we could probably do as well. And I know that was what a lot of people was hoping we would have got when we had when we heard the announcements about the Azumas and stuff, but we got more of the high speed section. Which is still fun, you know, still a fun route.
All our trains and stations are no smoking areas. Please do not smoke until you have left the station premises. This includes e-cigarettes.
Oh my god, this guy's actually taken a picture. That is jokes. That's pretty awesome. If we do like that. Trying to get like the best kind of like overhead shot. Maybe something like that. I don't know. But just thought it's pretty cool. Thinking outside the box. Okay. Let's get going. Stop's just turning up here. So we're not too bad behind schedule, you know, so hopefully people won't be too mad. Nice. Damn, everyone's like just literally getting off here. Boom. Right, next is Harrow and Millstone, which is where we're going to be linking up to the Bakerloo line. Cheetah. That's not fair. Which I hope they will improve some of the AI on the or just some of the services for the Bakerloo line on the West Coast Main Line part, because when you actually go to the Bakerloo line, like, it's busy, and for some reason on here, I mean on here it's not as busy as it should be, I think, for the Bakerloo line. I mean, it could be a performance reason, you know, because, you know, there's always limits and there's always something that, you know, they have to make sacrifices for, but hopefully they can find a way around that. Like, if that is an issue. I don't know if that is an issue, but, you know, sometimes when, sometimes, you know, that it does have limitations. Oh, we're speeding. Well, I ain't good. So yeah, to your right hand side there, that single track is where the Bakerloo line trains terminate at. They go into that little side in there, and then they revert, and then they, not reverse, but they come switch ends and come back into platform 2 here. It feels really strange because I'm used to doing this bit right now on the Bakerloo trains. And we're literally doing this in the 710. Which is crazy. Another 390 just whizzing past us there. So where's the next one turn up here?
Mind the gap between the
Well,
train
that's
and the
definitely
platform.
wrong.
Mind the gap.
Why is the first destination one still there? Second one's at 8:14. 350. But yeah, we're running late because I've literally been all over the place. On my own fault. Right, so then we can go up to 45. But yeah, I hope we get the East Coast Main Line South at some point. I think it'd be really cool, you know, having the option to drive the Asumas again on the different part of the track, coming into like a busy London terminus, having King's Cross Station in it. Also, you know, you have the 700s on there too. You can do like the stopping service because it runs alongside it. It'd just be so cool. And that's what I really love about the West Coast Main Line that they picked. You know, you come out of a busy London station, and you have, you know, a fast service all the way to Milton Keynes. Oh god, this is it's going to be a bad start. Yeah. I have not done well on this route. I have not done well. So yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, we have the you know, we've got the fast food trains all the way to Milton Keynes. You know, you can do a fast food one, you can do a semi-fast food one. There's the 350s to stop the, you know, the stopping services. And you got like 710s and stuff like that. So you just got a really good variety. But yeah, they've gone east, they've gone west. Hopefully next year, whenever like they do like the big free releases again, hopefully we get South next, South Main Line, which would be my local main line. So if they do it out from Waterloo, to whichever direction they choose to go to, you know, whether it's towards Portsmouth or Southampton, I will be a very happy boy. Very happy boy. But we will have to see. sure at some point I will get that. Because what would be really good about getting Southwest Main Line would be if they did from Waterloo, you know, which they have to, you know, it would make sense. It'd be the popular option. Is to have that. Because then at Clapham Junction, you can have all the Southern trains and Gatwick Express because they've got that. That could appear for like AI, you know. Unlock doors. Yeah, I think they should do if they went southwest main line, or maybe just do the Portsmouth direct line like they did in Train Sim Classic. Because then what you could do is, you know, you have the fast through trains. You can do like the stopping services, you know, to Hampton Court and to Woking and Guildford, you know, as far as those stopping services go. And then you have like the 444s, the 450s. One can drive, you know, different services down towards Portsmouth. And then like at Clapham Junction, you have Southern and Gatwick Express trains. You can have appearing as AI, but then if you do the Portsmouth line, what would be good about, you know, the direct line, what also would be good about that is that when you get down to Havant, I think it is, from Havant to Portsmouth Harbour, you have, you know, Southwest trains obviously will do quite a lot of stopping services down there, and also Southern rejoins them on that line, because then you can do like some Southern services on the route as well, so there'd be a really good variety on that as well. And then also Great Western Railway, because Great Western services go to Portsmouth Harbour, so it will, you know, you can fit in some services there, or even just AI, like, you know, whatever way you can do it. I think it'd be pretty cool. But that's the trouble with these kind of games, right? Everyone wants their local route. And I think until you get your local route, then once you get your local route, you don't care what else comes after. it's just one of those things, like all other routes are really good. But until you get your local line, then it's like, yeah, after that you just don't care, like you're happy to see whatever turns up. It's just a tough one. But as you can see here, I will do a video actually driving the full length of the Bakerloo line at some point and just show you how, I mean most of you probably know anyway, but like how different the traffic is on the actual Bakerloo line. And then you come onto the West Coast Main Line, and I know it's more focused on the West Coast Main Line, but it's like, come on, like you got quite a bit of track here. You got quite a bit of track of the Bakerloo line, and there definitely should be a little bit more London Undergrounds going around. But hopefully they can add that in. You know, hopefully they can add more of the trains in. But if they can't, because maybe it's a performance thing, you never know, then it'd be a bit of a shame. But, you know, if it is because of that reason, then, you know, fair enough. There's not much anyone can do about that. But, yeah, I think it just needs a little touch more. We'll just get a few more on here just to get that London Underground traffic in a little bit more. Where are we stopping? All the way at the end. Okay. Oh, that's like one of those little. That's the other things I was mentioning earlier to collect. Let's go and get that. Beam. Doors. So these are the little robot things you can collect as well. Whoop. 4 out of 35. So it's quite a lot. I just don't know which the I just don't know what the just don't know what the other one is. I'm sure we find it at some point and figure it out. That's cool. All the traffic on the West Coast main line going past us. I mean, look at that. It's all going on. Now, I'm assuming if we go on the Bakerloo line that we will have some of the West Coast main line traffic as well. Hopefully, it's not cut down. Because I have no idea, because I haven't been on it yet to see it. But I'm hoping that we have got the traffic on there too. I just got a really bad feeling that it might be reduced down. Which I hope it isn't. And how are you guys finding route hopping as well? Let me know. Are you guys enjoying that feature? Because I think it is pretty cool. I do really like it. The only thing what takes me out of it a little bit is that I wish that all the timetables were connected. So you know, like for example, if we're doing a service right now and we get to Queen's Park, but we want to actually swap to the Bakerloo line, like you swap over, like you get out this train, you do an instant swap to appear on the Bakerloo line at the same station, the same time, but the train you're just in just magically just disappears because it's a completely different timetable, you know? And that kind of takes me off a little bit because I want to feel like, oh, I've literally have transferred over. So if I've come off this route to load up the full Bakerloo line, then I want this train still to be at that platform because that's literally where I've just got off from. Not for me to like load up the same station and then it's like just. I mean, I get why, because, you know, like I said, it's a different timetable, but it's, to me, it's just a little bit like, it just feels a bit, it feels like I'm not really connected to it, even though, like, we are. Does that make sense to anyone? Wembley Central over there. Stadium Central. We're past that station, Wembley Stadium.
Security personnel tour this station 24
Oh,
hours
you got
a
a
day.
great picture of it in the background with all the trees and stuff. Like they're all just like, don't even stand there, they just walk away like, oh, screw this. We are done. How dare the doors close in our face. Not happy bunnies. So we'll go 45 here. Because it's the same thing with, what's it, the route hopping, it's the same situation with the, when you go from like London to Brighton and then you want to swap to the East Coast way. So you get out the train at Brighton and you're like, okay, let's load up the East Coast way now, like on the route hop. But because the timetables are like such a different time and period, it just feels a bit, it's just a really bit strange, you know, because you come off Brighton and you got like, I don't know, like say like you got like 2 377s and 1 Garrick Express and a 313 in the first platform. You do the route hop out of the Brighton main line, you load up East Coastway, and then the Garrick Express, the 377s are just not there, and the 311's not there, like different platform. It's just, I like like I said already, I like the route hop. I just feel really unconnected when I do jump to try and carry on the route, even though you are, but at the same time it just feels a bit odd that the trains are not there. I hope you guys know what get what I mean. Like, I think it'd just be cool if they have like the same kind of timetable, like what should be there when you jump off it, you know? I think it'll make it feel better. Because it's like a good example. It's like, say for example they ever did Reading to Oxford on Great Western Railway. So you could do, no, the timetable, because they're remastering that route, right? So what you could do is have, you know, say you get on the train at London for 10 o'clock, and you drive it to Reading, you get to Reading and you finish the service, and it goes, and then it should come up with like a question saying, do you want to continue, do you want to return to free roam on that route, or do you want to continue on to Oxford? And then what it should happen is, say that they built, say like the other route what came out, like say like for example a new route will come out and it'd be Reading to Oxford, but then the train that you got there in, so the London to Paddington part, the train that you drove to get to Reading, and you jump off that one and you get there at 11, so when you say you want to continue that route, it should load up the Reading to Oxford part, but that train that you literally was on should be there and should be on that platform, like to make it feel like you're still connected and you're still going forward in this open world. Not like load up that part of the route, but like the trains are not there, like they're all in different places, because yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think that'd be cool. God, we are running really late now, aren't we? I hope I do a better job I hope I do a better job going in the opposite direction than I have getting to London. All I can say. But what we should do, so you guys know what I mean, let's use some of the route hopping feature, and then you guys can see what I was talking about. Let me give it a try. What goes off to the left? I wonder what goes off to the left there. I actually need to I would have to research that, because that's always like puzzled me. Because I used to think that's where the London Undergrounds used to go to join onto the West Coast Main Line. I just couldn't. Because like I said, I didn't really know this part too well. But that's not actually the case. It's actually at Queen's Park that they continue on. think our station is just behind the tunnel up here. I think that's another 710 next to us there. See, I'm picking up some of the train numbers. Yeah, what they're like classed as and stuff. Getting there, I'm getting there.
Always try to carry bottled water with you. If you feel faint, seek help at the next station. Do not use the emergency cord.
Damn, no, loads of people got off there. Busy, busy. Let's close the doors. Nice. Oh, I come to the London Underground right now. I think we did see one earlier, but I was quite distracted. Wait, have they actually up? I know they did an update a few days ago. Oh, they've actually got the destination boards up now. They weren't doing that last time, so that's pretty cool. Because the destination boards wasn't on last time I was looking. I wonder if they put. I wonder if they've added in off the world destinations. I wonder if they've done that yet. I know they did an update, but I didn't actually read what they have updated on it. So maybe they've done a few fixes. Oh, we go straight. Oh, I'm so used to slowing down because when you're doing the Bakerloo line, you go on that side of the track, and it slows you down to like 15. We're here. That hasn't happened. So this is where we're going to be departing Rays from the London Underground. And we're going to be continuing with the West Coast Main Line. There we go. I promise, guys, return journey. I'll try and do better. Oh, hello, behind the wall. Whee! Peekaboo. So yeah, if you like watch when I load up the Bakerloo line later, we switch over to the Bakerloo line and you see the difference in like traffic and AI. I just don't know why they haven't got that here. Because that shed was like filled up with the underground and trains.
Please keep personal belongings with you at all times.
Yeah, this is empty to what it should be, which is a little bit annoying, but hopefully they will change that in the future. Okay. Let's go. So we'll show you guys right now. So if we was doing the London Underground route, they go down here, and then the rest of the journey, it's literally all the way in the tunnel. The whole journey is just going to be full tunnel as it goes all through London. So we now part ways. So how many stops we got left? South Hampstead next, and then London Euston. So 2 stops left. It's 2 stops. I really enjoy the other London Underground route that they gave us as well on this. Which was pretty cool, but I definitely prefer driving them on this part of the line. Just because, like, I'm more of I prefer more, you know, the slow line tracks next to the high speed section. I think, you know, having that extra traffic around. It's more of like the lines, you know, more of like the main lines I'm used to. I think because like my local train station, I think because I'm literally, you know, because I'm South West Railway, and I think because that's my local line, and I'm in like the busy part of London. I think and I'm so used to having the 2 slow lines and the fast lines next to each other that it's more my cup of tea. Compared to the the other route that we have for the London Underground, where it's just a 2-track journey, which is still fun. I like having that high speed running alongside us. Unlock the doors. I did see another route map that I want to get. Get it, please. Thank you. Oh, there's one of these as well. Whoever left all those out on stations needs to be fired. Naughty, naughty. Naughty, naughty. Lock doors. Okay. .1 until we're at London Euston. That 30 speed ball was so hidden behind that wall. I just about saw that. Just about saw that. That's so hidden. Let's make sure not to over speed. it's a little bit annoying that that's still an issue in the game, especially with like they've always had trouble with tunnels a little bit, where you know, you get into a tunnel and you think in the distance, okay, that's the end of the tunnel, you're about to come out of it, and then it just loads up and then it disappears and it loads up the other part of the tunnel that's actually there, what should have been there in the first place. But it's not a major thing, it's a little bit annoying, but you know, it's not a major thing for me, but it's just something they haven't seemed to be able to sort out yet. And hopefully they will in time. Saying hello to my fellow driver. And on our right hand side in the distance, you guys should be able to see the BT Tower, which is actually being turned into a hotel. It might already be a hotel, but I remember it's going to be a hotel now, which is quite strange to think about. It'd be strange now in like a year or two time. It'd just be normal, you know. It'd just feel normal. Wait, I had a yellow there, but the AWS thing didn't go off. Was there no magnets there or anything? I mean, I think there should have been. Or am I mistaken? Let's see if it goes off for this one here. Why's the AWS not going off? I do have it on, right? I'm confused. So here we are, London Euston. We made it. We made it. Quite a bit late, but you know. Sorry, train, if I held you up. My bad. My bad. Unlock the doors. Some other services and stuff leaving, it's pretty cool. looks like now that one's about to shoot off. Like the doors. Awesome. Look at all the little pizza symbols that I have because I overspent. Oh, gold. Didn't even get a platinum. That's how bad I was. Didn't even get a platinum. Damn it. But yeah, there we go, guys. Why is that one stopped all the way down here? Is that supposed to stop there, or is that just being weird? Oh, it's got Houston on it, so it looks like it has stopped here. Don't know why it hasn't gone all the way down to the end of the platform. That's a bit bizarre, but okay. But yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this for you guys here on YouTube. That'll be it for the YouTube part. But yeah, I will be doing the return journey in the next video, so I hope you guys will check that out too. But yeah, till then, see you later, YouTube. Take care. Bye.